Hey, what is up everybody? So in this video, I'll be showcasing you guys what you can do if you get your hands on a set of AWS access keys. So here I have a script that generates the access key along with a session token. So these are in general temporary credentials. So uh, let's just check if they are working. So a normal simple command would be AWS STS get caller identity, and this will give you general information if those set of credentials are in fact valid. All right, so the next step, what could be the next step? AWS provides a lot of services, and depending upon what services these credentials have access to, you will be able to run those services. And sometimes the permissions can be fine grained as well. So what do I mean by that? So what I mean is that even if you have access to a service, you might not have access to all its APIs. So what can you do here? You cannot in general run all the APIs to from all the services to see what access do you have. So here you have I have found out two resources that can help you gather. So one is Cloud Previs. I'll be showing you how you can run it. uh, Generally speaking, if you are a novice, you do not know, so if you are pretty new to it and you do not know how to get about things here, so this is going to be of great help to you. The second is a bit advanced tool, so this can do a lot of work for you. It can look for avenues where you can do lateral movement or even privilege escalation. So the second tool is from Rhino Security Labs. It's called PACU. So we'll be running both of them. So I have git cloned both of them. So let's go to Cloud Previs. Once you have get cloned it, what you need to do is you need to set up a virtual environment. Now I did try it without virtual environment. I get a lot of issues in different operating systems, so I prefer a virtual environment. So once you have set up a virtual environment using Python tag mve and vve what you can do is you can uh, activate it. Now that I've activated it, you need to install all the dependencies. So here you can install it with the help of a simple pip command, which is given right here. Now once you have done that, all you need to do is Cloud Previs AWS. That's it, and it will do its magic. So it will start doing all of its reconnaissance. And what do I mean by that? It will run all the API calls from all the services for you, and it'll get you all the APIs that are running. So here and as you can see, it has started giving me the list of API calls that I have access over. Now let's keep it running. The next tool is called PACU, and how can you run it? All you need to do is, if you are on Windows, you need to head over here and you can install it with the help of pip. Otherwise on Linux, all you need to do is apt-get install PACU. That's it. Name a session. So let's create a new session and let's just say test. And here, as you can see, the way we are finding the APIs that we have access over is by typing in Cloud Previs AWS. But here all you need to do is type in list, and it will straight away give you all the APIs that you have access over. Now it has segregated into different categories. For example, exploits. So as you can see, there are a lot of categories in here. This is a short video on how you can enumerate the APIs that you have access over. So thank you.